Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Anonymity, and in this video we're gonna learn how to host your static website onto Firebase hosting. First of all, we will create a new Firebase project because we will work with the Firebase CLI, not with the console. So in order to work with CLI, we will have to first create a new project into our Firebase console. So select, as you can see, and simply just set up your Firebase project. And now your project has been created successfully. So now we will need websites folders like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And let's go and move on to our websites folder. And I have already created that. So I'm gonna simply just show you how to upload. So simply type command and open your code editor. So let's just get into it. After opening the code editor, we will simply go to the terminal and type Firebase in it because we wanna initialize our Firebase project. Yes, it's initialized, and now you can select, and we have to select the hosting one. So I'm gonna press space and enter, and now we're gonna use our existing project and select yes, host on it, and it is gonna ask you like what do you want to use as public directory. So I'm gonna type my public directory here, and now it is asking to rewrite my index.html, and I'm gonna type no. Modify your settings as you want, and I'm just doing that. So after some time, yeah, this is now done, and we're gonna type a command to deploy our site into Firebase hosting. So we're gonna type firebase deploy, and it will simply deploy all the files into Firebase server. So then our website will be hosted. So let's see. Oh, it's taking some time. And yeah, deploy complete. We got the link and we are gonna simply forward to that. We have our website live on the Firebase server. We have that domain name web.app onto our Firebase project. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give a thumbs up and comment your thoughts. I'm gonna reply all of them, and make sure to subscribe my channel because I release all the new good stuff. So yeah guys, till then,